We are still working on welding, using the vice grips to clamp the piece in place so that we can start working. Note that it's very important to wear protective clothing like this worksuit that I'm wearing and that helmet and the boots that cover every part of the body. That way you don't get bent. And make sure that you have a helmet that is up to the standard so that you can protect your eyes from early blindness and the welder's pain. And yeah, you can also now start enjoying welding. Yeah, look at how bright the flash is. So it's really important to wear that one, even gloves, because